Hello from me, Lazar Hristov. We continue with the next lesson of the course. By creating a website from scratch. Last time we looked stages in the creation of real working website. And now we will look tools for creating our website. So, for any job, the appropriate tools are usually required. And of course we are no exception. For starters, we need two tools. Text editor that is suitable for working with HTML and CSS, that is, a web editor so to speak. And a web browser. Text-based web editor, how to choose it? Our first task will be to choose and download a suitable one. Text editor to work with. In text editors, as well as the rule applies to web browsers, that there is no best or ideal. And there is the most convenient one for me. So that means you will have to find the editor that is most convenient. To work for yourself, not for other people. Of course, this does not mean that you have to choose some exotic, weird and archaic text editor that no one else has even heard of at the time of writing the book, at the end of 2023, and now, when I do this lesson, already at the end of 2024. Except Notepad++. Others from the most famous and commonly used text editors are Atom, brackets, but it is no longer supported. There is another one on their site. Komodo Edit, Sublime Text, Vim, Visual Studio Code. And others could be added, but these are it. The most famous. You can also try them. Choose the one you like the most. In the examples we will work with the free Notepad++ text editor, which is old and developed for many years. It is one of the first free web editors that were back in the day. You can download it from the manufacturer's website at this web address. Web browser, how to choose it? In a similar way you will have to approach and to browser selection, at the end of 2023. When the book was written, or now at the end of 2024. No particular change. The most popular browsers at the moment are Mozilla Firefox, Opera, Google Chrome, Safari. For the examples in the book, we will use the free web browser Opera. And finally, these are the specialized tools for web developers in the browser. Any modern browser has such a set from special tools, inspector, debugger, console and more, which serve to make life easier, and especially to people's work who want to create, edit, or browse websites. We will look at them later in the process of working on the site, and let's skip the most important thing. Computer, of course. By the way, I am speaking quite seriously. If anyone thinks he can work with his cell phone, I will tell him that in this case it will not happen. In this case you need a computer. That's it for this tutorial.